Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're making a mermaid milkshake, and this is actually from my new cookbook that is now available. It is called Mermaid Food. I won't give you the whole spiel at the beginning of the video because I know you want to get into it, but stay till the end and you'll find out what little gifts you get if you pre-order, because I'm going to give you guys bonuses because I love you and appreciate you so much. So anyways, yes, let's get started. Alright, so we're actually going to be making the topping first because this takes a little longer than like the milkshake, so we're going to have the topping ready so that when your milkshake's ready to go, you just put the topping on and you can enjoy. So first you want to beat some whipping cream with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. And I recommend taking the whipping cream out of your fridge right before you use it because when whipping cream is cold, it whips way better. Then add some vanilla extract and confectioner sugar and a drop of purple food coloring and beat until stiff peaks form. And I'll have all the ingredients and everything listed down below as well as the link to the cookbook. And you want to make sure that you don't over whip. So when you over whip whipped cream, it won't come to like a little peak when you pull your electric mixer out. It will come to a lump. And I've done it before. That's why it's like so upsetting when it happens. But so just keep checking every so often just to see how it's doing. Then pop the whipped cream into the fridge while you make the milkshake. So to make the milkshake, you want to pop some vanilla ice cream, some milk, some vanilla extract, and a small drop of blue food coloring into a blender and pulse until smooth. So I'd recommend only using 1 drop of blue food coloring if you'd like to have this color or this shade of blue. Blue is like the most potent food coloring ever. Everything else you add like 20 drops and nothing shows, but blue you add 1 and it's like dark blue. So just add 1 drop here to give you that like aqua nice color. And I will link the food coloring that I use down below if you want to pick it up. I use the same brand throughout the entire cookbook because it's my favorite. It's the Wilton Color Right. So if you want to achieve the same colors that I did throughout the book, link down below. Then pour the milkshake into tall glasses and then pop the freshly whipped cream into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and snip off the tip to create a large round piping tip. Then just pipe a swirl on top of each milkshake and garnish with a mermaid shell and a mermaid tail. And so those little chocolates I just made by pouring it into a silicone mold, and or not silicone mold, a chocolate mold. And I'll link it down below if you would like to pick it up. I didn't show how to do it in the video because those are actually also recipes in the new cookbook, so it gives you incentive to pick it up. I don't know, I feel guilty. I'm like, I want to show you all the recipes, but my publisher won't be happy with me if I do that. So I don't know what to do. But if you've been watching my channel for like ages, I'm sure you know how to like melt candy melts and pour them into a mold. And you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. So if you are interested in some more mermaid themed recipes, and I think it's like perfect timing because it's summer now. I'm wearing a sweater, but it's so hot in my condo, so I'm like pouring sweat. But anyways, yes, so I have written a second cookbook. If you don't know, I wrote my first cookbook last year. It's called Unicorn Food. Is it on my shelf? No, it's not. Everybody else's cookbook is on my shelf, but somehow mine isn't. And I'm coming up with a second cookbook. I am so excited. I can't believe it. I want to cry. I want to pinch myself. Oh my gosh. The official announcement video is coming this Sunday. So I'll go into more detail then, but it's available for pre-order. And so I'm going to do something similar that I've done in the past with Unicorn Food, where if you pre-order, you're going to get a couple extra bonuses. What you'll get if you pre-order the book is a signed little card that I will send to you. So I did this last time, so it's just a little card, like a little pankobunny sticky that you can stick in your book so you can have an autographed copy. And I'm doing something else this time. I was like, what can I do? Because I want to do something different. I'm going to develop a recipe with you. So each of you who pre-order, you'll get the signed little card thing for the book, and you'll get a custom recipe from me. And that recipe is going to be like discussed and like brainstormed everything together through email, and then once we're both happy with it, I'm going to turn it into a video and you'll get a shout out in the video and all of our social media wherever I post it. So if there's a recipe that like you've really been wanting to make and you don't know how, or that's just something that you really love and you want to see me make, now is your chance. I'll do it for everybody who pre-orders, no matter how many of you guys do it. It's not, I guess they're gonna go live in like, I guess a staggered way, so we can figure out the scheduling of when everything will be live on YouTube. But yeah, I thought it'd be really fun to show my appreciation with you guys that way. So all the pre-order links and everything will be down below, and also like how to contact me after you pre-order and everything like that will be down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. I don't want to like say too much in this video because like the official like announcement video is next. But thank you for giving me this opportunity. I know that this year I've been super MIA, and that's been to do with this writing this cookbook, because I had to write it in a month. Oh my god. So that was a lot, and there's been a lot of anxiety and I think depression. So it's been a busy year, but things are a lot better now, and I'm really excited to like keep going. So hopefully this is like the beginning of like the new stage of my channel. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much. I love you so much. Bye.